up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today got a new video for y'all, man. So today we're here in Dallas area. So right now we're in Euless, which is in between Fort Worth and Dallas, but this is gonna be a super lit weekend, man. I may just include everything in one video. I'm not positive. We'll just have to see how long of a video it's gonna end up being. I know it's really windy, so I apologize about that, but we just made it to Dallas. I'm about to get checked into the hotel. Tonight we're going to Yellow Belly. Gonna be running Swole. So Swole has a header G85 Mustang. So pretty simple setup, but this car does pretty good from a dig. And then we're gonna be running a cam 6-gen Camaro. Probably not gonna end up running Preston tonight. I think he said that he's not gonna make it, but there's the car. And then Saturday, so we're actually gonna leave tomorrow, but tomorrow we are heading to Louisiana. And then Saturday, we are running a, they say it's a bolt-on car, but I've heard that it's cammed. I don't know, but it's Gen 3 Mustang. I believe the guy does his own tuning and stuff, but bolt-on Gen 3 Mustang, for sure a 10-second car. And we are running him for $500. So the bet isn't between me and the owner of the car. It is between me and a guy named Manuel. I think he's the owner of Midnight Performance, because I know he drives the truck that when they race the Corvette and all that stuff. So I'm pretty sure he's the owner of Midnight Performance, or at least high up there with Midnight Performance if he's not the owner. But got a $500 bet locked in on that. And then we're also running another bolt-on Camaro that has an MSD manifold. But I mean, other than that, weight reduction, brakes all around. So it's gonna be a super lit weekend, man. Hopefully, I can profit some money on this weekend, because honestly I could use some extra money. So anyways, I'm gonna go get checked into the hotel, and then tonight we're going to Yellow Belly, and we're gonna see if we can also make some money at Yellow Belly.
Hey, that bitch, that's what Gary leaving it. God damn, y'all riding this nigga dead. Goddamn, that's the way. What y'all want? One over here. One over here. Hey, red light, no race. Hey, red light, no race. Red light, no race. Red light, no race. Hey, I went over here. Hey, red light, no race.
Alright guys, so it's the day after Yellow Belly. Today's Friday. I just got to Louisiana probably about an hour ago here at the Airbnb. I'm just waiting on all the other people from Dallas to show up, which they won't be here till later. But overall, Yellow Belly was it didn't go that great for me personally, but it's a very cool track, and I would love, honestly, I'd love to go back there. Ran a 800 plus wheel horsepower Z01 on the first run. I did leave in second gear, but he was just way faster than me. Like I had no chance of beating him. Honestly, like I have no chance of beating that car. He's just way faster than me, makes way more power than me. It's full bolt-on heads, cam, E85, and a ported blower. So obviously, you know, we shouldn't even be really in the same ballpark. But you know, that was the first run of the night, and I just ran him, you know, just to see because I wanted to make a pass. So on that one, we launched in second, dead hook. Next pass, ran the cammed 6th Gen SS. So that was one of the runs that we had set up for the night, right? And I don't know if it's full bolt-on, but it should be like at least headers. It's on E85, I think. MSD manifold and drag pack. He is on stock converter though, so I mean that does kind of hurt the cammed cars. But ran him. I thought it was gonna be Pro Tree, but it ended up being Sportsman's Tree. So I red lit as soon as I saw yellow. I took off, and then as I was taking off, then I saw the second yellow bulb, and I was like, damn, it's Sportsman's Tree. So I tried to brake real quick, but I had already broken the beam on that, so I red lit on that one. And those were the only 2 runs I got. I recorded like 2 other runs, I think, but those are the only 2 runs that I got that night. And so Yellow Belly didn't really go the best for me as far as like actually racing, but tomorrow we are going to the track here in Louisiana, and you know, we got to run locked in with this bolt-on Mustang for $500, and then we got to run locked in with a bolt-on Camaro. So the one with the bolt-on Camaro, that's just a fun run, but I got to make sure that I'm just on the light, because last night I was just all over the place last night. Like I was not quick on the light on the first run. I had a terrible reaction time against the Z01. And then my reaction time probably would have been pretty good on the second run with the cammed SS, but it wasn't Pro Tree, so I red lit. But we did agree upon the runs being Pro Tree for the runs here in Louisiana, so we should be good as far as the light goes. And honestly though, last night, so I did hooked in first gear and second gear, leaving in first and second. So that gives me, honestly, that gives me some kind of relief, because I'm pretty positive we should dead hook here, because they don't really prep Yellow Belly that much. So we should for sure hook here in Louisiana. And these tires, they're doing really, really great. So I'm very happy with these tires. So we shouldn't have any issue as far as hooking goes. So I'm just gonna leave it in first, you know, leave it in drive, and you know, I just gotta kind of be fast on the light. So as long as I'm good on the light, I think I should have no problem beating both cars. But if I sleep on the light, then both cars could possibly beat me. So we'll just have to wait and see. But I'll probably tune back in tomorrow. I may record a little bit more tonight once Devin and them get here, but most likely not. But we'll just have to see.
Fucking cold already.
Oh, you're all on my side.
We're all
We're
5 against you. Hey, Cam's in it too. We got 5.
That's the only reason I do it. I'm doing it. I want $100. $100. All right, cool.
You're calling off flip. You ready? If
Yes.
it touches anyone, doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
Another rule.
All right, tails.
That's yours.
I told you I want to take that guy's money. All I wanted was his money. I didn't give it anybody else's.
Let me go get my cash. God damn.
It's true. It's just how it is. The Mustang is quick.
So, hold on, if the Mustang gets a hit, you got the money on the Mustang?
Yes.
I'll put $50 on.
I just did 100.
I'll put 50 bucks.
Like quick to a Gen 1, yeah.
You gotta remember this shit. Somebody make a list. Everybody gonna come tomorrow and say, I got it on camera, but here's the thing. I got him. You got him, and the Mustang gets a hit.
As long as the Mustang gets in.
Yeah.
So really what's happening is you're saying you're betting on me negotiating and getting that heads up. You're like,
If you go heads up, I put whatever amount of money you want on it. You let me know how much they want to go.
Money on the Mustang?
No, on him.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If they go heads up,
but the Mustang gets hit.
if the Mustang gets hit, the Mustang wins. The Mustang is a fast car. It's just that the fucking Mustang doesn't know how to launch. He sleeps every time he races. I watched every video of that guy racing that is available on the internet.
The thing is, if he loses and he gets the heads up, I'm gonna make my money back.
That's okay, but I'll make double the money because I'll make it of them both.
Yeah.
Strategy over
Wait,
there.
you said Mustang gets the hit.
If the Mustang gets the hit, I got the Mustang. I'm a 50?
I'll do 100.
100. Okay, cool. So you got him, right?
Yeah.
You got him and the Mustang gets a hit.
If they do that race.
Yeah, obviously. Like that race is gonna happen. Oh, you want to?
I'll think about it tomorrow.
Wait, let him show me.
I need to get space right now.
Cool. If the Mustang gets the hit,
Preston, you're not
shut up.
space
That
right now.
guy,
It's not a good thing.
that car, he doesn't have to do shit. He has to hit the gas pedal and hold the steering wheel straight. He doesn't have to do anything.
That's pretty hard for a Mustang. You
That
just
car
gotta let go
moves.
of a button, but
That car moves, but the button is gonna let go after he left already. It's hard to catch somebody.
Depends on
That's
how
fair.
fast it lets go.
If you have boost,
What if the
you can
60
hit
foot are
scramble.
different?
Huh?
they are different. That's the thing.
What if the what?
What's in your mind about the 60 foot?
It doesn't matter. Like when it comes to leaving, 60 foot is not like, as I said, when you have somebody heads up, like meaning next to each other, and he gets to go, he's gonna be in front of you enough to
Alright.
you're gonna know that he got to go already.
But you're using
because
this-
you're not looking like that.
Right.
You're gonna sit here, you're gonna see his car go, and you're gonna leave, right? It's just how it works. Or somebody's gonna hit on your window. It doesn't matter. At that point, the reaction time, he's already out the car of you. You don't have boost to come around. Boost is what comes around. Like
You got
if you,
nitrous. No.
Alright, let's bet $100. You know what I'm saying? Like 60 foot is good. If you have a
Cut that part out the video.
the nitrous? No. He said cut that part. We don't cut. This is a raw footage. I'm posting this shit tonight. Yo, I'm posting them. I'm tagging the Mustang owner.
Hey, yo, check the car.
Alright guys, so today is Saturday. We're here at the track in Louisiana. We're here pretty early, so racing's not gonna start till later. It's only like 2 o'clock right now, so gates open at 3. So the racing probably won't start till like way later. That may be Boyd down there, so I may go over there and talk to him. Everyone is saying that car is camming heads, so he's saying it's not. I don't know. I'm gonna see if maybe we can run for 1,000, but he gives me the hit. So I don't know, but we're just about to get Dev's car unloaded, and then I'm gonna go see if they'll let me tech in already, but most likely not. But yeah, it's gonna be a lit day, man. It's gonna be a lit day. Alright, so here's Dev's car, stock bottom end fit gen, all motor. Hopefully both of us will be putting in work today. We're gonna see. Well, Dev, see, these are originally the wheels that I wanted to get, these black wind lights, but man, that boy Preston, it's gonna be a lit day, man. I'm gonna go see if they'll let me tech in already. Alright, here's the bolt-on 6 that we're running. Brakes all around. I think pretty much similar setup. I got an OTR, he doesn't. He's on MSD. Not sure if it's ported, but I would assume it is. There's another 6 I don't know who this is, but this one was clean. Damn, yeah, this one's clean. It's gonna be a lit day, man. It's gonna be a lit day. I think that Mustang over there is the one that we're running, but I'm not positive. But man, it's gonna be a fucking lit day for sure.
my car either, but that's still like. You go. Look, you go. 1, like we started, right? 1. Hold on. It's 63 feet. 2 car, 3 car, 4 car. Bumper to bumper. You got the shit right. You got the shit right. I know. You got the front and back row. No, wherever that bumper ended up at, that's what the 4 cars is. So what happens with this whole fucking level that I'm next to you? That's 5 cars. Champion, know what you're talking about. Go get a Camaro. He gave me 3 in the brake then. 4 cars. No. Man, you can get your ass back over there on the shade. Where's your car start at? At the line? Where's the front of your car at? At the line? But hold on. Hold on. If you give me a car, I can cut that car. Instead of 4 times. You got a little different when you go on tire to tire instead of 4 cars.
Pull the valve cover, you can see the can. If it says it's engraved Ford, it has a part number on it. All we need to see, I'll give you $500. Alright, cool. Yeah, let me know when it's ready and I'll come over there. We look if you pull it off and we can see. I don't want you to change cans right now.
How am I gonna change again?
I don't fucking know. You got voodoo magic shit going on.
That's just some gay ass shit that y'all fucking love.
Look, I'll be sure you. That race is happening. I want
Yes,
if,
I'm talking
if
about the
there's
other
actually the one that he wants to hit. Or no, the one that he wants to heads up. He wants to heads up, not give anybody a hit.
Because, bro, it's a fucking trans brake fucking Camaro.
Okay, so
He's got a TS400 in there, right?
no 350.
Whatever. Huh?
He still got a shift.
Well,
He
it's a
still got
stock
a
fucking
shift.
transmission.
Bro, but he still got a shift. He still has the shift. It's not automatic.
Yeah, I mean,
Bro,
the Mustang
but
ain't
he's got
fucking
10
slow.
speed.
It'll be a good race.
That Mustang's not slow, bro.
I said the Mustang ain't slow.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, the Mustang is not slow. So give him a heads up race. Let's up it a little, $2,000.
The only reason I locked in was because of the fucking.
Okay, so in regards to this one, right?
No,
Now,
we're good.
that's
We
what.
ain't giving him a hit.
No, we're not talking about the hit. We're talking about the looking at the can part.
No, you told me $500 if I pulled that.
Yeah.
I'll pull
So
it.
now, if we pull it, you want to up that race a little bit of money on it?
What do you mean up?
Like the top?
With his?
Yeah.
No,
You don't leave it?
dude, it's Boyd. It's Boyd's money. But I ain't gonna
Oh,
let
it's
him
Boyd
fucking.
money.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He didn't have to.
Oh,
He
yeah.
didn't have to start the car up for you. That's his dumb
No,
ass.
he didn't
fucking
start it. He
starting
started
up
for
the
somebody else. I just
Well,
walked by
whatever.
and I
Like
heard
whoever walked up to him and did
Yeah,
done that shit, he didn't have to do that shit.
yeah.
That's him. Yeah.
Okay, he's right here.
Yeah. Like he
All right,
has, that's on him.
so all we gotta do is look at it.
Yeah.
And if it's got cams, the race is on. It's still on, or off? You locked up for a bus. So if he's got cams on there, you know the race is
If he
off.
has cams, I will still run you, but I want the hit. If it's true bolt-on
We
stock
don't
cams,
care about
right here. He's
Look,
right here.
after we pull the valve cover off, right?
Yeah.
if it's stock cams,
Right?
heads up, heads up.
I don't care about running you anymore.
Okay.
Right? So it don't matter. We'll
do you
find
mean, so
other
you're
races.
not running?
I'm gonna get the 500 and then that's it. I don't care.
But they
about
got a
running.
race locked in.
Huh?
But they got a race locked
The
in.
same way that y'all are punking out right now with that fucking $500 and he wants to hit, it's the same shit.
No, but if
oh no,
he's stock cams,
you're not punking out. You're punking out, right?
If he's stock cams,
That you don't want to give him the
That's
hit.
not the car I locked in with, right?
Oh, it's not?
No, didn't I show you my car? That's not the car I locked in with.
What the fuck do you mean that's not the car?
Yeah, it's stock doors.
You changed
on
your
that shit.
cars?
That's not even a fucking street car no more, bro.
It's not a street car.
That shit don't sit. It don't even have fucking mirrors on it.
Y'all want to go like drive so you make it the furthest right now?
We can do that, or we can just do a
Alright.
heads up, build a pot. What do you want to
No,
do?
you gave him the fucking hit,
It's
bro.
500. You don't want to
gave
do
him
more?
the hit. Hey, I already
do a
argued
heads
enough
up
with
at
the
the end of the
motherfuckers.
day.
I don't
I
give
know,
a
I
fuck
didn't-
about
I didn't
y'all
know that-
$500.
I know you don't. So how much?
Right? You talk to him.
What do we want lock in? NA.
Yep, motor to motor.
You got heads, cam, I
Yeah,
don't.
I said a car that sits the same.
It's the same.
It doesn't, bro. I ain't got no carbon on my car.
It doesn't sit the same because you don't have cams or heads. Your shit's a stock fucking motor.
Sure,
That's why we got.
He means it the same.
Come on, bro. I want a fair race. Let's do a
I
heads
understand
up.
what you're talking about.
Let's just do it.
Bro, because you motherfuckers don't have carbon fiber doesn't mean he can't have carbon fiber.
So that's not how we lock in.
That's how the racing
lock
shit
in on
happens.
motor.
You
No.
lock in the shit, you fucking do it.
Nah,
You show
bro.
up.
That's
You don't
not
want to
how
race,
we
that's
lock
it, bro. We're good. We're
I
good.
want a
You're still
race. I just
racing.
want a heads up race. Why don't you guys want to do a heads up?
Because your car's faster.
No, it's not. They literally are.
Your car's faster.
Okay, didn't you go 1070 the other day?
No, he went 1040s.
Then I'm
Yeah.
fucked.
Exactly. So,
All
I'm
right.
fucked.
He went 1040.
so why you giving him the hit?
Right, yeah, I'm fucked.
If you went that 40s, why you think he's
All
I
right.
thought we were both 1070s.
What do you?
bro.
How fast do you go? 1040s too, right?
You just said you're
Huh?
1040.
All right, so then that's gonna be a good race.
That will be a good race.
Hey,
Yeah,
get
that
your
will be a
race.
good race.
Y'all be a good race. That's it.
How about no hit? Give them the back tires and they go off the light.
They're already locked in.
No, we're talking about him. We're talking about him.
No, we're racing.
I came all the way out here, bro. I want a clean race, bro.
Same shit.
Out here for what
He can, yeah.
Let's go heads up, man.
So now you're gonna lock in the race and drop
Don't
another
race.
100 plus pounds.
Make them drive all the way to fucking Dallas.
Let's do a heads up, bro.
Find it.
Let's just make a, we don't have to do a big dollar.
No, they agreed. No,
as it said,
He agreed as the car
How about
sits
this,
at
boy?
that time.
Hey, how about this? Let's see if anyone wants to see a heads up and they'll do the call for you. You good with that? If someone puts a bid for him, heads up, you good with
he's
that?
putting up his own money.
I'm saying that if he doesn't want it,
Why don't you give him the hit? We'll see how the race goes, and if it goes a different way, then we'll do something else to make it close.
you said 1040.
Yeah, 1040.
Let's just do it heads up.
What do you want me to tell him? It goes 980s? In this weather? Fuck no.
Look, come on, let me get a fair race, bro.
I think it's fair.
I give you the hit and you're faster.
You drove all. No, I'm not.
You just said you
I
want
drove all the way out here, not to
Was
race.
y'all two race?
Huh? And then we're the same camp.
Huh? Are y'all fast?
Same
Are
cam?
y'all?
Same cam?
I need shit on it.
Cam, all right. I'm about to say same cam. Wait, hold on.
That's an LT LS motor. You can't run the same
Yeah, it's a
cam.
fitchin' and cinch. I'm a stock intake. I got no
Why are you
problems.
complaining about transmissions though when we are both on transbrake? Like I said, if you don't want to give him the hit and you don't want to go heads up, how about why don't you get back tire and y'all both go off the light? It's meet in the middle.
I think it's going to be a really close race with me getting the hit. Anything other than that, I'm
Bro,
just kidding.
I think it's
what
gonna
are
be a
you
really
smoking?
close
You just
race
said 10
on your
40s.
side if you go heads
I
up.
went 1070 and
Don't run
fucking
10.
good DA.
You run 1020s.
I run the car, okay?
Stop
I
hustling
own the
these
car.
dudes.
So let's just do it cheap.
I can sell you the
500
car
heads
for
up.
10-1.
How much?
500.
Let's
Unless
do
you want to
1,000.
build a plot. I don't give a fuck.
Let's do 1,000.
I'm talking 500 on my own.
No, it was supposed to be the 500 from his race and then the 500.
I don't know what. I'm not with whatever
Yeah,
you
it was
guys want.
500 and 500. That's it. He ain't trying to fuck. He's just trying to race.
Yeah, me too. So let's do it. Heads up, 500.
I'm good with one. We locked in already.
Heads up, 500.
We locked in already. If you don't want to race for the heads of the thing that we already
I
locked
want a
in,
clean race,
if you don't
bro.
want to race for what we already locked
Hey,
in,
if you had bought that fucking car the way I locked it in with, it'd be no
it is
problem.
the same thing, bro.
It isn't. You
Just
pull
because
the
I shaved
doors
10
off.
pounds off the tour.
You said more than 10 pounds, bro. You said 10 pounds. Come on, bro.
Hey, we were cool. We were cool. But why didn't you bring your car?
Why did you say more than 10 pounds, bro?
Let's talk about our cars, bro.
Okay, so it's between us.
Let's knock this race off for the 500.
No, we're locking in all the races before anybody gets to the line.
Y'all run the same times, right?
No.
Are you faster?
Than him?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so if I beat him, then okay, maybe we can do
No,
something.
we wanna lock in
if I
before
lose
you
to
see the
him,
cars go
then I'm
fast.
getting the hit off you.
Okay.
If I beat him, we can do heads up.
I'm not going off of who wins.
Yeah,
you don't wanna do that.
You want to lock in the race before the...
Let's run ours whenever that time comes, and then you can form your decision off that. If you still don't feel comfortable about it,
I just want to. You guys do what you do. I just want to.
me and him will run. You can watch it. You can form your. If you still don't feel good about it, then we can talk about it. But I'm telling you right now.
You want to bet more on his race? Since he's faster than you,
I got my
I'll
mind
bet
wrapped
more
around
money.
that.
I'll bet more money on his race.
I got my mind wrapped around
If
that
he's
at all.
faster than you at heads up,
I'm thinking about my car. I don't.
Yeah, why are we talking about another
I'm
car?
gonna say it like this. I don't know you. They're cool. To be honest with you, I don't really like you. We locked in what we locked in. As far as
because
I'm
I speak the
concerned.
fucking facts.
No,
Because I speak
that's
the
not
fact.
it.
Your
Because
car's
you got
not
a
sitting.
loudmouth and you don't have a
Because your
fucking
car's
car.
not fucking
You don't
sitting. I have a car. I have a car.
Why
Not
isn't it here?
Because it's being
That's what I
done.
thought. You're
Okay, so what? So what? You scared to run them heads up? I put 5,000 on it. Run them heads up.
I'm not putting more. They may
do y'all want more on his race?
No.
I got more
We
money on
want
his
that
I want
race.
to run
heads
my
up.
car. You know what I mean? I don't
Tell
give
them
a
to
fuck
come
about
up
what
with a
they're
number.
I
doing.
got
Run that
fucking
heads.
money on his race.
I don't know
We'll
why you're
talk
telling
about
me.
yours after his is done.
Okay.
He's anti-hustling you. He's telling you, look, like even if you get,
Really, I'm hoping I just fucking break even.
Yeah.
What? I'm hoping I just break even.
If he loses now, he's not gonna race you the second time because you
hoping
know
I
he's
can still
faster.
pay my mortgage after this. Nah,
Not gonna.
so back tire,
Yeah.
Off the tree. Even light.
Off the tree.
Exactly.
Pro tree.
pro tree,
Yeah.
and then after that, if you beat me, we'll do one car on the hit.
You get one
Back
car
tire.
back
Yeah.
and a hit.
And the hit.
For the same amount. All right. We'll do that.
For 500 still?
500 on each one.
Okay.
Yeah, if
500 on
if
each
you lose
one.
the first one, it's no second race. If you lose
got
that
that?
after the first race.
Yeah. If you lose the first one, no second race. So
Yeah,
just.
if he loses the first race, it's no second race. Okay, you order too fast. Old school got me nervous
shit,
over
bro.
there. He talking all kinds of stuff.
Hey, we can claim as Dutch shirts, man. I don't know. Yeah, anyone know?
It's good.
Yeah,
We'll
we
do that.
came to race. At the end of the day, we wanted good races. So.
So 1,000 and then 500. Might
If there's
be a
any
second
side
one.
bets, I'm down to side
And
bet.
then afterwards, we'll start shotgun beers.
We got
for
so we got
100. I don't give
1,000
fuck.
with Cam. We locked in another 500 with Cam. Heads up, off the light.
Do you want to
So
do more
now
with
it's just
Cam's race?
1,000.
If anyone wants to. What do you
Me
want to
and
do?
Jagger splitting that already. I
They're
don't know
doing
which
back
one
tire
we
off the
throw
light.
in.
I'll do it whenever we get up there.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll talk when we get up there. But we're good.
After his race, then we'll talk.
Yeah, what's
Yeah,
up?
that's
On I'm out. Yeah, yeah.
So Cam and you first. Yeah. Okay.
Because they might run it back for another race.
That's true.
Exactly.
I have no idea.
But yeah, we're down. We're good.
It doesn't get
talked
dark
to you when we got
until
there.
7 or 8 when it starts kind of cooling off a little
You don't know
bit,
that
so
big, guys.
another hour and a half, give or take, start lining up.
Dog, I'm my own bank. I'm straight. I'm good on bank.
As hot as it is.
Yeah.
Hey, I like it.
How much?
500? 500.
Lock it in?
Let's go. You got it?
Alright,
You
cool.
got it? He's got
I see you got that green shirt. He
Yeah, bro.
You're too confident
Hey,
right
what
now.
you know that we don't?
They don't know shit.
I don't know shit.
All he knows is that
I just know I want to bet some money. You know what I'm saying?
How much you
spraying now?
We gamble.
No, pray. Pray for
No,
what?
spraying. How much you spraying?
Spraying.
He said how much you spraying.
Who's spraying? Oh, no, shit. It's a joke. It's a joke. All right, get shot. Got you. What's up? Anybody else want to lock in?
Yeah, he's got that. He's got that.
Alright, they're about to make this pass.
didn't see the tire either.
I'm sure it's a fucking good time.
He has 17 frames.
Oh, you know what? He's on a, I think he's on a, what is it called? QuickTime Pro, whatever?
Mm-hmm.
Because it was a Hoosier, but I'm pretty sure it's a radio. Here we go, the Midnight Truck versus the NA Pre Performance 6 Gen. 65,000 on the line, I believe.
Yeah, 65. Okay, here we go.
Let's go. 6 Gen for the win. Let's go. That boy, damn, look. Hell yeah.
Damn, 3-1. What the fuck is up?
Hell yeah.
Play the 2000. Very fucking. You know, I actually saved myself some money. Because White came up to me right before the race and he's like, there's not enough money in the pot. You got to take your money back.
Did you get all of it?
From the pot, yeah.
Oh my
so
God.
I only lost 2.
Okay, I was like, you probably have like 8
No,
on
2
that.
and a 5 with that kid if he comes around.
And then 600. And then 600,
Yeah,
300
bro,
each.
fuck yeah. Hold on, where's my money? Where's Jack?
Jack is over that way.
Go call him.
Hey, that was a 3-car gap.
Hey, look, more
You know what happened? Something fell off his truck right at the burnout and fell under the tire, a piece of metal. I have the video. And I was trying to stop it and nobody fucking listened. I was standing at the fucking car.
Or something? He blew tires?
I don't know what happened.
All right, so we're over here in line. This is the Gen 3 Mustang that we're going to be running. Let's see, but carbon hood, carbon doors, no mirrors, carbon trunk. So, I don't know. If he's true bolt-ons, I think I have a good chance. If he's cammed, I think he's going to beat me, honestly. But on the bright side, the Camaro just beat the truck, so regardless, I'm going to be up money. I won't be down money, so I'm curious how that's going to go. Just letting the oil temp give it up, because if I don't let the oil temp get over, I think 150, then the car won't rev out all the way, so I'm just trying to get it up to temp right now. But right there is the owner of the Gen 3, and he has his own shop, his own car, stuff like that, so I don't know, man. I'm going to see. I'm fucking nervous, but we're going to see what happens. It was a super good race. I got him on the line, and he just top ended me a little bit. But 60 footer, the best 60 foot I've ever had so far, and actually 60 footer pretty good. And the my 8th mile though was just slower than it normally is. So I don't understand why. Mile an hour was the same, but mile an hour in the 8th was the same. Mile an hour in the quarter was down 1 mile an hour, and. Yeah, just for some reason, the 8th mile was slower. If the 8th mile would have been normal, I would have definitely beat him without a doubt. But for some reason, the 8th mile was about a 10th slower than what it should have been. So I don't know if it's the air or what, but now the Mustang is about to run this the fit-in. So this is Devin's fit-in. So now they're about to run, and they're giving the Mustang the back tire, but off the light. So we're gonna see how this goes. So here we go. Stock Butterman fit-in versus the same Mustang I just ran. Fit-in is giving them the back tire, but off the light. It's not giving them the head.
We could give him the hit and still come around.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Good fucking shit. Let's go. Good shit. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! You look good in the groups? Doing good to me.
Alright guys, so we left the track, we grabbed some food. We grabbed some food at McDonald's. It's like 2 something in the morning right now, it's pretty late. We were at the track literally like all freaking day, dude. Like my back hurts, my legs hurt. Got some good runs in though, man. So we ran the 10-speed Mustang. So a bunch of people were telling me that it has cams. After our runs, honestly, I don't think it has cams. The only thing that really sucks though about our run, he did beat me, so he got me like probably a fender. It was a very, very close race. I got him on the light, and he just slowly worked his way back. So on that pass, I cut the best 60 foot I've ever cut. But my mile an hour was down. My mile an hour was down, and overall ET was down. My ET was bad, especially considering the 60 foot. So I don't really understand that. But anyways, so we got that run with the Mustang. He beat me on that, got me by about a fender. And then after that, I ran another bolt-on 6-gen with a MSD manifold. And I stalled it a little bit less on the launch, and the car literally went 2/10 quicker. So if I would have ran, and 2 mile an hour higher. So if I would have stalled it to that RPM against the Mustang, I would have beat him for sure. He wouldn't have been able to get back around me. I don't think he would have pulled on me at all. But you know, that's just kind of how racing goes. And I'm new to the converter, so I'm still kind of playing around with that to figure out, you know, where the car is happiest, because I went 2/10 quicker, but the 60 foot wasn't quite as good. So like, I don't know, it's just kind of hard, you know, because like obviously you want like a real good 60, but it seems like there's kind of like a sweet spot, you know, of what the car really likes. So but anyways, yeah, we're heading back to the Airbnb right now, so I guess we'll go ahead and wrap up this video. Very lit video. So Champ, the heads cam 6-gen, the Prey car, he did beat the midnight truck, man. So I made $300 on that. Lost $200 against the Mustang, and won another $250 against the bolt-on 6-gen. So so overall, I came out on top on this trip. I wish I could have came out, you know, even more. I wish I would have beat the Mustang, but it was a very, very good run, very close run, so I can't really be mad. And after the second pass, knowing that I have the faster car, I'm all right with that. So overall, very successful night. My boy Dev put in work like always. His car's moving out, and you know, overall, I mean, I think we did pretty good. I only got 2 runs. Dev, I want to say, only ran the same car twice, I believe. And then I made 1 test hit earlier in the day, and then he made 2 test hits earlier in the day. But overall, man, just super cool experience. It's my first time like really staying in Louisiana and actually doing stuff here. So very, very cool experience. The track was honestly very nice. Lots of shutdown rooms, so that was really, really nice. And overall, just a really good experience. So, you know, maybe we'll try to do something like this in the future at some point. It won't be anytime soon because can't put a lot of miles on the truck. But overall, though, very, very fun experience. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up to the channel. Please subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.